More than 40 years of industry know-how, best practice in industry processes, and cutting-edge software technologies, with CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products, we have bundled our entire expertise into multi-award-winning ERP System of the Year. From the beginning, the industry-specific solution has been optimally designed for bread and bakery products, covering all requirements of the bakery sector in its standard version, from the primary cereal production to the consumers, and from the machine to controlling. As an integrated, industry-specific ERP software, the system transparently links all areas of your enterprise without any standalone solutions. This will generate consistent cost reductions and a long-term productivity increase at all value-adding stages. Furthermore, CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products optimizes your company, making it fit for further digitization and the future Industry 4.0 applications. Tailored to every company size, the industry-specific solution can be utilized as CSB Basic ERP for small bakery enterprises, as CSB Factory ERP for controlling production facilities of company groups and bakery concerns, or as comprehensive CSB Industry ERP for the entire company. Resource optimal planning, efficient production control, product transparency for your customers, economical labeling processes, and seamless integration of your subsidiaries and in-store bakery stations, CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products can achieve a lot for your business. Managing the availability and value of resources at the bakery production lines, the production planning functionality integrated in the industry-specific solution for bread and bakery products handles this highly complex task for you. Various planning options provide you with a good overview of all quantities to be produced. Strategic long-term production plans can be established per year, per quarter, or per month, taking into account the order forecasts and the required capacity utilization. This production plan is supplemented with budget values and liquidity planning. Just like long-term planning, exact mid-term planning is generated on a weekly level, based on your sales planning. By matching planned resources against available capacities, the system automatically calculates the capacity and demand-oriented production and machine allocation plans. Daily plans for the production departments are set up in the context of short-term planning. In material planning, the stock on hand and the minimum stock are established against the sales plan and order quantities. Based on this, the system automatically suggests the planned production quantity and transmits it to production order management. The system conveniently provides details on the results of the scheduled data. Graphics visualize the factors that might lead to capacity shortages, and a timeline gives you a concise overview of utilized versus planned machine capacities. This will speed up your response time as you can immediately check the availability, easily reschedule orders with drag and drop, or generate an optimized suggestion. Working interactively directly in the process improved user control and fewer incorrect entries. CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products comprises a multitude of functions that can be operated with touch entry. For example, the production entry and exit quantities of a batch and dough production can be weighed via a touch button. The weight data is directly transferred into the system. With the intuitive user interface, batches can be processed with much more precision. Input errors are virtually eliminated. Online monitoring enables straightforward tracking of the production order status. The touch solutions can be customized to suit your needs. For every single process, you can define which information and which functions should be available to the users. Transparency for all bakery product flows, fast and legally secure handling of critical situations, reliable consumer information, and less manual work, CSB Traceability digitizes all flows of goods along the entire supply chain. Capturing of raw material data relevant to traceability starts in goods receipt and continues throughout all operational processes until shipping of the finished bakery products, completely documenting the raw material history. To ensure full traceability at all times, the data is trailed electronically from one processing step to the next and documented automatically. All traceability data can be transferred to external databases, for example, ftrace, MyNetFair, ATC, and others. In the case of an incident, the system supplies any information related to lots and batches, fast and methodically. Upstream and downstream flows from consumer to producer and from producer to consumer are portrayed in structured overviews directly on the screen. Complete automatic control and monitoring of labeling processes, dependable implementation of trade and legal requirements, and reduce labeling costs, CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products ensures economical and secure labeling and identification processes in your company. All units are labeled automatically. The labels are kept throughout all production stages, transport, and sales, and the information is passed on automatically to the labeling systems, independent of the manufacturers. CSB solutions feature customer-specific item labeling with SSCC labels or RFID chips, as well as flexible label design in every desired language. The just-in-time weigh price labeling system automatically controls and monitors all packaging and weigh price labeling processes at your lines. Contact-free box and pallet labeling is also controlled fully automatically in continuous operation. This speeds up the labeling process and ensures careful handling of your high-quality products. With CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products, you integrate your external points of sale directly in your central ERP system and consequently optimize the communication between your central bakery, your subsidiaries, and your in-store bakery stations. Integrated processes secure central maintenance of master data for all subsidiaries and sales departments, directly transfer the online inventory stock to the points of sale, and facilitate optimum controlling through direct subsidiary comparisons. The CSB Cash Till solution digitally links the industry-specific system at the back office with the Cash Till system at the point of sale. It was developed specifically for bakeries and chain stores and covers the entire process chain at the point of sale. Besides the standard Cash Till functions, CSB's Cash Till solution offers a wide range of functions to optimize processes and enhance the quality of service. Its intuitive user interface guides new employees through the sales process quickly and reliably. Customizable touchscreen allows optimal user guidance. The purchase orders placed by your subsidiaries via the web-based store portal are posted online directly in the industry-specific ERP solution. Your staff at the points of sale can easily enter the orders in an easy-to-use order matrix, which automatically provides order suggestions with the ideal quantities calculated by the system. This enables the digital management of your subsidiaries. As a result, you can systematically increase your sales volumes. CSB's industry-specific solution for bread and bakery products is modular and scalable, and it is available as a cloud service. With CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products, you are on the safe side. The system is upward compatible and complies with all security standards. CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products offers the functionalities of basic ERP, factory ERP, industry ERP, and MES. Covers the processes that are specific to bread and bakery products for primary cereal production to consumers and from the machine to controlling. Comes with best practices for materials planning and scheduling, recipe management and integration of silos, bakery production and packaging lines, and much more. We would enjoy showing you CSB's industry solution for bread and bakery products in more detail during a live demo. CSB System, programmed for your success.